architect, yeah. So, I am just outside of Oslo, Norway. We're in a project. This is the natatorium. So, you can see here, that's where the pool is. Just give you a quick overview. And then talk a little bit about structure. So it's a concrete, you can see there's concrete planks above and concrete wall. It's all precast. And then we have this giant window system here. Just gives you a beautiful view. And you can see, go over there, but you can check it out here too. You can see there's that precast concrete, and then they have the weather resistive barrier, and then there's a it's probably on the order of about a 2x10 overall, and then they have the sill here. Notice all of the heating ducts. I'm assuming they're probably triple glazed windows, but they are also, you see the window frames are in here. My good friends at Schuko, and these are pretty cool in that you can see there's a drainable mole system that has its own gutter underneath the mullion there, which is really cool. And the sill pan here, you can see, just like we would do in America, you turn that up. And pretty cool stuff. So, walking through there, we left that one room, we get run out. Check out this concrete block. It's almost like it's a beaded type system. It's really weird. So I moved over. This is the main entry space. That's going to be the entry door. So this is kind of the entry lobby, and you can see here, this is all CLT, cross-laminated timber. I want to say this is a spruce type product. Even the columns here, you can see they're made up of a series of timbers. They're not one. So it's all laminated. It's got the chamfered corners to ease the edge. And then, that's what a panel looks like. You can jump in the doorway here and you'll be able to see exactly a cross section. I estimated at about 4.5 inches. You can see there's a 5/4, 3 3/4, and another piece of 5/4. And you can see it's pretty much the whole space. And that's for an entryway. It's that cross-laminated timber. And then if we look over here, that beautiful stairway. This is a pretty exciting space because it's got these skylights up above, and you can see it's got the cross-laminated timber panels on the walls, but real, Scandinavian type architecture. It's got the rail system that follows the stairs up there, and just really, really cool. I know kind of, the videos here is fractured, but our tour guide here is kind of rushing us around the spaces, so trying to grab as much as I can. Show you what I'm seeing here. This is actually pretty cool here, that this is the actual finished stair, and if you zoom in, you can see that's all cross-laminated timber too, the whole stairway. Very cool. Another shot. You can see the panels there. So they're all, you know, you get the finish and you get the structure all in one. So very cool scale of the space. All right, we're on the move. So we jumped over to another side. I realize the video is kind of a hodgepodge, but this is kind of weird. So the handle here, if I turn it, it'll activate the tilt function there of the window. So if I push it to actually close it, there's a pinch button on top and on the bottom. You can see the instructions. You actually have to pinch both sides before it allows me to close it. So I don't know. So it seems a little awkward to me why you need that security measure to close the handle. But the wood on the outside of this, I'm told, is a Norwegian spruce. It gets treated in a fire treatment bath for a pretty decent amount of time, and then it's brought out to the site. Looks like it's an open joint rain screen too, so we'll check that out when we go outside.